I'm going into my 4th season here on my homestead, and one thing that has been sorely lacking here on Wicked Awesome Gardening is some gardening. It's one of the things that I love to do most in the world, but every year I've got my plans and then something happens and then they never get going. Nothing comes to fruition. We had tomato starts ready to go in the ground, and then Stella had her accident, and so all those tomatoes dried up while I was busy taking care of her and the babies, and then the car accident, and then things just happened and happened. So today we're getting some seeds in the ground. A lot of seeds. This is going to be fun. It's going to be quick. It's going to be easy. It's going to be random, very unplanned, because I'm going to sow the 2 beds that I have out there with some leafy greens and other early season things that are going to grow fast. So we're going to do some chaos gardening. Okay, so what all do I have in this bag of probably a few hundred seeds that we're just going to randomly sprinkle into 2 small beds and just see what happens? We've got some baby bok choy, a couple different varieties of kale. I love curly kale best. We have a few spinach varieties and a whole bunch of lettuces. And I sprinkled in some radishes just for good measure because they're fairly frost tolerant. They'll come up quickly. They'll be ready for harvest before any of this leafy stuff really takes off. So that should work just fine. So we've got 2 small beds, a whole bunch of seeds, and we're gonna go sprinkle them out. Let's go. So it's actually about to rain. It is 60 degrees. It's the warmest day we've had in a little bit, and I have these 2 beds. So we have my Ollie bed and my cheap Amazon bed, and I'm not even gonna do anything with them. I'm just gonna sprinkle these seeds, and maybe we're feeding the chickens, maybe we're feeding the wild birds, but I figure between all of these few hundred seeds, something's bound to come up. Okay, I lied. I did zhuzh the soil just a little bit, and I'll be a monkey's uncle. You see that bit of greenery there? Looks like one single Egyptian walking onion must have survived the winter. Grow, baby, grow. And then over here I have some other sort of perennial onion, and I can't remember what it is. I'm gonna have to ask Ellie. Let the chaos commence. What's most likely to come up in these beds are weeds, but let's see if we can also get food. Now, you may call this a waste of good seed. That may not actually be good seed. That's why I'm unsure how much of that is actually going to grow, because it's older seed. Now, you can totally grow from older seeds. I have tomato seeds that are years and years old, and they will germinate just fine. But I find that actually lettuce in particular, along with onions definitely don't last till the next year, but lettuce, you have a couple of years of grace period. Those are about 5 years old, most of those. So what comes up is going to be what comes up. So fingers crossed, and I will keep you posted on the germination.